The moment you spot a pest insect within your greenhouse, there's a good chance he might not be alone. The longer you wait, the harder it becomes to keep these little voracious monsters at bay and to gain control over the pest. Early detection of the first infestation is crucial for effective control measurements. With PATS, we make this fast, easy, and accurate so you can act swiftly. Our plug-and-play infrared camera captures all movements and essential characteristics of passing insects, both during day and nighttime. PATS recognizes the insect species and closely monitors pest and beneficial populations over time. This is presented in the PATS dashboard, so you can see what's going on in your greenhouse at a glance. Whether you grow tomatoes, chrysanthemums, or any other crop, pests are detected from day one, allowing you to intervene quickly and tackle the problem at the source. Our system detects pests up to 5 weeks earlier compared to existing scouting solutions. With PATS, you are on top of any threat that may hide in your crops or just entered your greenhouse. This way, we help you to improve crop quality, save costs, and assure you with peace of mind. What's more, we will soon be able to help you combat these pests in a sustainable way with our small, bat-like drones that stop harmful insects as soon as they emerge. Together, we develop towards a green future without the use of insecticides. Visit pats-drones.com for more information.